I didn't know you guys were coming today. Hey guys, it's me, your friend, Miss Spicy X, and you are back on the Spicy X channel. And today we are going to be reacting to Sheryn Regis sings Come Out of the Rain live on Wish 107.5. I think I gotta try that again. Never mind. Let's just go on with it. Anyways, this was requested many times and spammed in the comments. You know who you are! Anyways, so I decided I was gonna go ahead and react to this video. But before we go any further, go to your pantry, grab something spicy, and don't forget to give me some. Please, give me hot Cheetos. And don't forget to tweet this on Twitter or Instagram, and then you can screenshot this sad face. Okay. I will give you 2 seconds to go get your hot Cheetos, to go get your whatever it is that's spicy from your pantry, from your fridge. Put it in the microwave. We'll be over here. Just 2 seconds, okay? Or you can just drink whatever you want, water, whatever you drink. 1, 2, let's go.
Wish 107.5.
You believed that we
Wish exclusive on Wish 1075.
Wow. I might be wrong, but she looks like she's a little older. But wow. Can you imagine if she was your mom? You'd have such a cool mom. Wow. Somebody comment down below, is this lady a mom? Because she's a cool mom. And I don't mean that in a rude way. I mean, she's aged with so much beauty, obviously. She's stunning. First off, I would like to say that she's stunning. She's a stunning mother if she is. But man, wow. She's so cool. One thing I always wondered, you know, for them to all sit down and sing into that mic. And for it to sound so flawless. It doesn't seem like that's easy, because I know that singers, when they stand, if they're able to project a lot better and they're able to have more control. But to sit down and be able to do it as if you sounded as if you were standing up. That's amazing. That is true talent. I would like to know more about her. Know more about her background, how she started, who she is. She looked like she would be Maury's mom. What a cool mom. Anyways, guys, I hope that you liked this video. Also, as I said, if we reach 2,000 subscribers, I am going to be reacting to the next Maury video with spicy nuclear fire ramen noodles ×2 spicy. Okay? But we have to hit 2,000 subscribers, and I am only less than, well, I'm only a little over 300 away in order to reach that goal. So please, I see that like 85% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. Please subscribe. I mean, if you're gonna come back, you might as well join the family, right? Am I right? Anyways, guys, I hope that y'all have a good day, and if not, I hope it gets better. And don't forget to eat something spicy because your mom told you to. Have a nice day.